Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm here with.
Tombo.
You look good today.
Thank you.
Nice.
I have some questions for you. Do you think men in our generations are being appreciated nowadays?
No, they
Why
are
is
not
that?
appreciated because nowadays, even girls are dating our babas. So like girls hawataki kudate watu wenye hawana pesa. So hata mtu akikupea kitu kidogo huwezi appreciate.
So, do you think they're after money or love?
After money.
Why is that?
Kwa sababu mtu anataka kukaa vizuri.
I'm a baby. I have no money.
Iyo like kupelekwa out ama like what the meaning of
Pesa like watu wanapewa pressure na vitu za dunia like vitu mingi.
So if a white guy approaches you today, would you follow him?
For money?
Yeah.
No, me, I can't date wa. Me si date wa baba, siwezi date wa baba.
Okay.
Do not date. I do not date. Dating is for small boys.
So what do you bring to the table for someone to respect you?
Respect and money.
What else?
Love. Yeah.
What's the highest amount of money a guy has ever spent on you on a relationship?
15,000.
Ilikuwa nini?
Vitu mingi sikia Valentine, vitu mingi.
Yeah. You are so happy.
Yeah.
Can you give a shout out to your man?
I love you wherever you are. I love you.
Okay.
Sensational.
Can you fight for love?
No, I can't fight. Unajua vitu zingine kama mtu anakupenda like haizi kufanyia vitu zenye kufanya ufeel vibaya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is there anything like cheating by mistake?
No.
Why is that?
You can't cheat by mistake.
Deep down in my heart.
Because once you love a person, you can't cheat on him or her.
Yeah. Okay, what's the craziest thing have you ever done for love?
Najua like kuna vitu mingi sana. Mingi sana.
The paparazzi recommend me.
Kama
nini tuambie?
Nishaiambiwa like unaambiwa vitu rumors but huwezi kubali hata kama ni mbaya like sijai kubali sijai kubali nishaiambiwa vitu mbaya hata mwenye alikuwa ananiambia ni exo hiyo.
Ulifanya nini?
Imagine nilifeel vibaya but at last nikakuja kujua ni uongo.
Would you fight for him?
No, I can't fight for him.
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck, my back.
Would you argue with him because of that?
No.
Or confront him?
No.
Why is that?
Siwezi like kuconfront ukuje like unipende hapana kama hutaki kunipenda. Unakaa. Si lazima.
What about fighting the other lady because of a man?
No, I can't.
Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm here with
Mana Richie.
So I have some questions for you today. Do you think men in our generation are being appreciated?
No.
Why is that?
Squeezy madam wanasema they depend on men. So they cannot date person who ana mokuchu unacheki ana do yani. So I think no.
Woo! More money.
So what do you bring to the table for someone to respect you?
Money is a man. You must have money mtu wangu. That's the reason before you date you unataka kutafuta do kwanza. Wezi date kama una pesa. Juu utakuwa mwanaume. Juu kwa ni ufala. Sasa una rada.
Do not date.
So why do people believe that you can't date without money? And some people date for love, not just only for money.
This is a new generation mtu wangu. That is the Gen Z. Look at marriage ngapi sasa hizi iko strong. Watu wanaachana kuachana mtu wangu. Juu ya mukuchu. Mukuchu very important mtu wangu.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
So what the craziest thing have you ever done for love?
Me nilishushanga ugangster yangu nikavanga suti ati dema kava dress ati twende out na nikaenda nikabook table at date. Nimeshaanza kuingia mambo ya walami jo. Ni ufala. Sasa unacheki ni ufala. Yeah.
Okay. So can you fight for love?
Wakuenda ni wakuenda man. Wakukama atakaa mtu wangu. Haiwezi mtu wangu.
Why is that?
I can't fight for anyone.
I know kung fu.
Asa Mungu akupiganie. Sio mimi.
Is there anything like cheating by mistake?
There's not. Hakuna cheating by mistake.
Yeah.
Tuseme tu kama mse akubambi, mwambie tu badala ya kumchocha. The reason why young people unaona wanauana hapo nje ni unachukua majukumu ya baba mtoi bana. Unachukuaje unataka unalipia mdem renda aje? Haiwezi ati unambea food. Kwani ana babake man. Tafute mzee wake je amlipie rent. Unacheki vitu kama hizo jo.
Okay.
Saika tuko comrade ni 50-50 man.
50-50.
Chwani jinsi watu tunategemea wazazi. Respect zenu wenyewe pressure.
So do you forgive a cheating partner?
No. Labda niletee sister yake ni gonge. Tutako equal. I can never. No. Never.
No.
As a man, never. Umesikia never.
So what do you think? What do you think the reason as to why women are going for white than the black men?
The reason is they believe the white, najua kulinganisha currency. We believe that dollars ni big than Kenyan man, nacheki. So kiona the white man, wanadhani akona mo kuchukunja ni maskini huko kwao, amechanga hiyo dollars ndio akaamua kufanya shughuli zake, kutoongea, lakini ni sawa tu.
So are they after love, money, or the passport?
Mani mtu wangu na passport bado tunaamini ukienda majuu utatoka block. Juu hadi mimi niko campus na nikiitwa tu majuu mimi naacha shule juu mimi sionangi. I follow the money. Yeah, follow the money.
How does
$10 sound? $10.
I don't know. Sounds sort of like.
Hadi wewe ukipata na mzungu wako kawe ni dem, silalisha tu kuna boyfriend. Wewe fuata akili yako vile inakuambia tu. Ukiona mali kuna do, juu ukiwa maskini bado wataongea. Ukiwa tajiri bado wataongea. Wacha watu waongee.
Can you do 50-50 in a relationship?
Nichoni sahi. Still comrade.
I'm saying, and I say this without any fear of contradiction.
Leo nikibaisa hapo wewe unabai, si ati unakula kwangu siku yote mtu wangu. Choni baadaye ndio inaweza kuwa 70-30 nikipata nikiomoka.
So can you date someone who is older than you or younger than you?
Older mtu wangu. Younger man tunasumbuana mtu wangu. Older wako na pesa baby. Hadi si young boys tunataka tuko na pesa. Tunapandisha standards. Unarada?
Yeah.
Mimi uko na do. Nitafute.
Okay.
What are your handles that when someone sees they can reach you?
TikTok. Mimi ni dancer by the way. Richie, Mana Richie. Gram ni Aticalix. Yeah.
So when someone older approaches you, unaona kama wewe utaomoka kama utakuwa umefika nyako na pesa?
Ni first kwanza, uko na pesa, hai? Naona wewe una ukiedi. Tuna flow nayo mtu wangu. Lakini comrade akini approach mimi sikati yangu imani. Ni demo anikatia aje. Haiwezi. So mimi wewe ni mokoro hapo, unatafuta young boy, ako na macho niko na nguvu za kila mahali. Yeah.
So for you dating someone who is older than you, what will you be bringing to the table for that person to respect you?
Older than me. Yeah. See me, the game mtu wangu. The game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm fine.
I'm here with
Gitonga.
I have some questions for you. Are men in our generation being appreciated?
Honestly speaking, men in our generation are not really appreciated.
We're waiting.
Since, I'll just give a simple example. The law is usually against men, the boy child in every situation of life. So there is no way you'll come and tell me that men in our generation are being appreciated. Yeah.
Here I come.
What about ladies?
Ladies are being appreciated in every way possible in this life. Okay, for instance, you find that it goes without say. A simple example, ukienda interview na mrembo jameni, definitely there is high chances mrembo atachukuliwa wewe ukae. Ask me why. Because ladies, okay, how will I phrase this?
Choose your words wisely, madame, for they may be your last.
The generation we are living in, ladies are valued as men. Men are usually, okay, wewe ng'ang'ana na maisha yako. Ladies, it's so easy for them. Yeah.
No, he's great. I think he's doing a great job.
So it's easy for them to navigate somewhere than men.
Yeah, very true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think of modern dating? Do you believe in 50-50?
Not really, but I believe that both of you should contribute, not by you coming and telling me that, hey, nifanyie hivi, but out of heart, out of will, just do what you're supposed to do to make your partner happy. Yeah.
So the craziest thing have you ever done for love?
The craziest? Is there anything crazy I've done for love, really? Nimepeleka mrembo Mombasa, jamani. I have.
What happened?
It's not crazy. It was nice. Since she deserved it, she was doing everything nice for me, so she deserved it.
Okay. Can you fight for love?
Depends.
With what?
With what you're fighting for.
Fighting like in a hard way or...
Unajua ndio you fight for love, your partner lazima akuonyeshe you're supposed to do it for the person. There's no way I'll be fighting for love, but nakufaitia na wewe uko tu huko unafanya mambo zako and you don't care about the love I have for you. Yeah.
So is there anything like cheating by mistake?
Nothing like cheating by mistake. Sisi ni watu wakubwa bwana. Ukitoa hizo nguo ulitoa, ni sisi tulikuambia utoe. Thank you. Nothing like cheating by mistake.
I'm saying, and I say this without any fear of contradiction.
You're supposed to be in a position you control everything about yourself, starting from feelings to everything. Yeah.
What do you think is increasing the modern dating cheating, contributing the cheating?
Because I'll start with ladies. Most ladies are after the bag. What you're bringing to the table, in this generation, hakuna mtu atalia kwa bodaboda na atacheka kwa bodaboda na anaweza lia kwa Range Rover. Ataenda tu kwa hiyo Range Rover ikitaka kumuua imuue. Yeah.
You get it?
Okay. So what do you think is increasing the women choosing white over black?
Okay. In the current generation, a generation full of the Gen Zs, they are living in me as one of them, we are living in a world that we want to explore more and more and more and more. And there is no way utaenda uambie Gen Z, twende nikupeleke USA na ni mrembo, hata mtu wako twende USA hawezi kataa. Definitely. Juu ataona you bringing something yenye the boyfriend ama the husband can't. Yeah.
So do you think they are fighting for love or passport or money?
They're fighting for passports and money, not for love. Yeah, utaachwa tu ukiwa hapo na love zako and there is nothing you can do about it.
You know, I wasted everyone's money. I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad. You don't think I feel bad?
I'm good. How are
I'm Mary.
I'm Laiko. Yes.
So today I have some questions for you.
Yes.
So do you think men in our generations are being appreciated?
Honestly, I'd say it's ni kidogo. It's rarely where we see people appreciating men. But we say men to men, we appreciate each other, but the other way, women to men, it's hard. Yeah.
So can you fight for love?
True love, yes.
Because I have a black man blood in me.
How?
If it's meant to be, it is meant to be. So if it's yours, you have to go for it. Yeah.
So what the highest amount of money have you ever spent on a lady on a date?
Date?
Yeah.
So the last date. Wow, ngori. The last date I spent, I think it was 2K.
Everything to your satisfaction, sir. Paul?
Yeah.
What was included?
Fare, meals, yeah, and just some few enjoyments. Yeah.
What the craziest thing have you ever done for love?
Craziest? Nothing yet for now. I'll say it's hard for something. I wouldn't call it crazy because maybe for me it wasn't crazy. Yeah.
Have you been cheated before?
Cheated.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes. Look at you.
Hey. Cheated as.
Okay, so what do you bring to the table for someone to respect you?
Respect should be mutual. You don't have to bring anything on the table for someone to respect you.
Truly, you have a dizzying intellect.
Yeah.
Is there anything like cheating by mistake?
No. The moment you decide to go with someone else, it means it was already on your mind, so it's not accidental. Yeah.
What do you think is causing most of cheating in nowadays? What is contributing?
Contributing, I'll say, the mentality that people have. If someone has a mentality that you don't satisfy them, or an expectation of something from you, then definitely they'll cheat if you don't exceed the expectations.
Do not divide your attention. Always focus on one thing only.
Yeah.
So would you date someone who is older than you or younger than you?
I'd say I'll go for younger than me or my age. Yeah.
Why is that?
My age, I'll say we'll share most. If someone is older than me, that means he'll look down on me because I've no that much experience. But if I'm younger, if I'm older, we can learn, and also I can help them understand things better.
That is the beauty of it.
Yeah.
Do you think women are after money or love nowadays in a relationship?
It's rarely to find someone who's not after money. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I made a tremendous amount of money. Tremendous amount. It's ridiculous. I mean, I don't even believe it myself. You want to know the truth? I don't even believe it.